Okay, so I am going to teach how to create a Word document. Like if you have fifth graders or even fourth graders, you could have them type it out. That way, whenever they get into middle school, they'll already know how to do it. You start by clicking on the Word document. And then it shows up with a screen like this. And I would just start by having the kids look and teaching them about 1-inch margins, because that's one of the first things that you'll have to do. Then I would teach them how to do a title, and that there's different ways to do a title. Most of the time you're going to want to have your title in the middle of the screen, so you're going to center it, and then just type title. And then if they wanted to make it a little bigger, how to highlight it. So left click and highlight it, and then you can go over here. There's a couple different ways. You can increase it, or you can click on the font size and click whatever size you want. There's also different ways to write it. So there's different styles. You can use the Cambria or Times New Roman is a common one, or you can even try a different one. And then if you wanted to change the color of the title, you could go to the color right here and just click on whatever color you want. Most of the time you won't use blue though, because it's not very legible. And then you could teach them how to go back to the left hand side, since you read from left to right and you write from left to right. And then you could teach them to type their story. And that is pretty much the basics of how to write a story in Word. There's different things you can do. You can bold the title, or italicize it, or even underline it. But for the most part, you won't use a lot of those common things. But that's pretty much the basics of it.